A trebuchet uses a weight-driven arm and a sling to be able to propel an object. To set it up, you need the 3 red pieces, the red rectangular base, the 2 red vertical arms. Slide those into the base in the middle. You need the blue chute. You need the blue trebuchet arm, and then you need the pin. And then you need a wooden round dowel to serve as an axle and some washers to serve as weights. Slide the axle through the top hole, through the trebuchet arm, and then through the other vertical arm, and then attach the sling to the end of the pin. One will go on the indentation on the pin at the base, and the other will go on one of the spikes that comes out the end of the pin. Now, things that you can change. You can change the length of the trebuchet arm by inserting different square pieces of wood. You can change the mass by changing the number of washers that you put on the end of the trebuchet arm. You can also change the pin angle. To be able to do this, take the pin, the round thing with spikes, and rotate it to different directions, and then you can attach the string on the ends of different pins. Trebuchets are sometimes challenging to be able to get to launch straight, but when they do, they can launch very far. Do be careful because sometimes they will launch backwards or release at various different angles. Ponder physics.